Hi, and welcome back. The single most important aspect of your story is your characters. Without a doubt, your characters will either make or break your novel. Regardless of how beautiful your setting is, no matter how intricate your plot, and no matter how engaging your conflict, creating a gripping tale of intrigue will be for nothing if your characters are forgettable. Remember Frankenstein? If nothing else, you remember Victor Frankenstein and his monster. You probably don't even remember the monster's name. That doesn't really matter because you'll always remember the character. And how about Dracula? His character was so captivating that it paved the way for Interview with a Vampire, Twilight, Vampire Diaries, and a slew of others. But there wouldn't have been any of these if Bram Stoker hadn't made Dracula such a memorable character. Imagine the pride of creating a character with such depth and dimension that it outlives you. Hannibal Lecter, Mary Poppins, and most recently, Harry Potter. Now, I'm not saying that you need to sit down and create the next Scarlett O'Hara or James Bond, but the characters that you do develop must be the best that you can produce. It's important to remember your character is really an extension of you, and whatever you bring to your story will define you as a writer. So give this a great deal of thought. Don't rush it. Allow it to develop through you naturally. I think Judy Blume sums it up nicely with her quote, "The best books come from someplace deep inside." Become emotionally involved. If you don't care about your characters, your readers won't either. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next week.